Everyone, in today's video I will show you how to auto scroll on TikTok. Before we get started, please subscribe our channel. So first thing is I am going to do is to come to my TikTok app. As you can see, and the next step is going to be automatically go into your page. So just click on the home in the bottom left corner, and now you just need to click on and hold on that video. And if you do get like an option in here it says basically like out to scroll, then just click on it. If you don't have this option, then what I am going to do is to actually go back to my profile right here again. So if you don't have the to scroll option, then keep watching, because what I need to do now is to come back to my TikTok profile and then click on three lines in the top right corner. And now I am going to click here, it says settings and privacy. As you can see right here, taking here, what I need to do is to just scroll down and then click on report a problem. So click report a problem on here and just going to load here. Then I'm going to scroll the way and click on submit a report. So click submit the report, just going to load again perfectly. Now we are taking to this page right here to TikTok. I am missing the how to scroll feature on my account. Please fix this. You can write something like this. You can either write your TikTok username if we want to in this here. And now when you are done, just click on submit. It takes about 3 to 5 business days for TikTok to automatically to actually see this, and basically we be able to fix this for you. So this is the way how to auto scroll on TikTok. Thanks for watching this video.